UP Sell Services, configuring your emails. Email is how a buyer learns their requirements are needed and how a vendor learns they were hired. The marketplace sends a lot of email, and the Emails tab is where you govern it. Start with deliverability, because a notification nobody receives is worse than none. Send the test to yourself first. If it does not arrive, nothing else will. The test sends to the address shown so you can see exactly what lands. If it fails, install an SMTP plugin, because default WordPress mail is unreliable on most hosts. Below that, every notification type gets its own switch. New order, order completed, order canceled, delivery submitted, revision requested. New message, new review, and dispute opened rounded out. These are master switches, so turning one off silences it regardless of other settings. Leave them all on until you know which ones your members find noisy. Then trim, rather than guessing up front and missing something important. Get this one screen wrong and the marketplace goes quiet without telling you. Notifications that actually arrive.